How to turn on Instagram quiet mode. So here is what you can do, perfect for reducing distractions and pausing notifications. So first of all you have to do is open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be navigated to settings and privacy of Instagram. Now scroll down and look for the time management option available there and simply tap on it. Then all you have to do is tap on the sleep mode option available and make sure to toggle on the sleep mode. So the sleep mode and quiet mode are basically the same. It pauses the notification, your activity status changes to sleep mode, and auto reply is sent if someone messages you, and if you toggle it on, and you will get a summary of notification once you turn it off. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.